Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Train Sim World 2 Collector's Edition on the Xbox Series X and Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up the other day. Really like the first Train Sim World, so I'm really looking forward to playing the second one. So yeah, as you can see, you got the... I don't know what classes they are, so forgive me. One from the States, a bullet-type train thing from Germany. And then one of the London Underground stock tube trains. So yeah, that's cool. And that's the side, and that's the back. And it says all this here, the evolution of train simulation. It includes all that. Included in all that is that. And you've also got the preserved collection as well, which is certain ones from the first Train Sim World. But yeah, and inside we just have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Train Sim World 2 Collector's Edition, guys. It's currently New Year's Eve, so New Year's Eve 2020, I should say. So yeah, all that remains for me to say, guys, is I hope you have a much better 2021 than 2020 was. Yeah, oh, that's a firework. It's not midnight yet, so. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good 2021, and keep checking back for more videos on my channel, and I'll catch you later, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.